Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I do try my best to put out fun and different content for you guys, a lot of makeup tutorials and DIYs. So if you are interested, then click the little subscribe button down below. So today I'm going to be reviewing a product that is literally all over social media. It has been something that has gone viral for the longest time now. I remember seeing so many posts on social media about it. You know, Kylie Jenner's taking it, Kim Kardashian is taking it, and everyone wants to know, does it work? So today I'm going to be doing a review for you, which I have been trying now for the past 3 months, and that is Sugarbearhair. If you have not heard of them before, I don't know if you've been living underneath a rock, because literally these have been everywhere. So Sugarbearhair is a hair vitamin, and it is the latest craze, which it is meant to help you grow your hair long and luscious as all of us girls want. And the real question is, does it work? So keep watching this video and I will let you know exactly what I think. So I've been literally working my way through like 3 of these bottles. It comes with 60 gummy bears and you take 2 a day. So you can take like 1 in the morning, 1 at night. I've given this a go. Obviously you guys know that I've been still bleaching my hair like crazy, coloring it, toning it, everything, you know, under the sun. So I really wanted to test these out to see if this would make any difference to my hair. Okay, so let's go through some of the facts. It is gluten-free, it is soy-free, and it is also cruelty-free. The little gummies literally taste like blueberries. They're so nice, you know. Most of the time when you get like a lot of these hair vitamins and stuff from the shop, you can just get the pills, which you literally just have to swallow, and it's who likes taking pills? Definitely not me. So this is a great alternative to that. They are very yummy. I mean, I do sometimes feel like I want to take more than 2 a day because they're just so yum. So what are the results? Does it work? And is it as amazing as everyone is saying? So obviously, you know, people online, when you see the before and after photos, you literally see them with short hair and then you see them with long hair and you're like, holy shit, like, did that happen overnight? No. This is exactly the same as just all those diet pills and all of this shit that people just think you're just going to take it and magically you're going to become this whole other person. Please just don't expect that kind of stuff when you're seeing these things online, because that's just not realistic. You got to be a realist about this stuff. What I gained from Sugarbearhair. I have been bleaching my hair for the longest time. My hair has become so fragile, it snaps off. I brush my hair, it falls out, like, you know, I'll be in the shower washing it and there will be like a lot of my hair that snaps off. And that is purely because of all the bleaching and peroxide that I am doing to my hair. So in terms of that, over the past 3 months, I have definitely felt that my hair has had a lot less breakage. So I got a scalp bleach literally 3 weeks ago, and this is the amount of regrowth that I already have. I have already felt that there's less breakage from when I've had it bleached. There's like not as much snapping off, and it just in general feels like it's stronger. It's not necessarily just like grown overnight, like that's never gonna happen. But in terms of helping the health of my hair, yeah, I definitely think that Sugarbearhair has done that. I don't want people to feel discouraged and think that they're gonna buy this product and your hair is just gonna, you're gonna be Rapunzel, literally your hair is gonna be like to the floor, because that's not gonna happen. But if you are looking for something that is going to be a strong supplement to help your hair just in terms of strength and help kind of, you know, boost the amount of time that it's growing, then yeah, this is like the perfect thing for you. It's fantastic. It's a way better alternative than having to take the ones like that you can buy at Woolworths, which are just pills. I just find them to be disgusting to take. These ones I actually do enjoy taking. So if you guys want to pick these up for yourself, I'll put the link down below and you can just check it out. They've got a few different bundles for them. With all products, they work different for different people. Like I said, it's not like my hair grew miraculously overnight or anything like that, but it just helped with the overall strength and health of my hair, especially through the process of like extreme bleaching. So that is just my personal opinion with the product, and feel free to let me know in the comments below if you've tried it and what you think, or if you've tried any other type of supplements and how they went for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see some more reviews on other products, let me know what you're interested in hearing about, and I will see you guys in my next video.